Welcome, fellow automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding the Corolla Cross. It's been 4 years since its debut, and now, it's receiving a mid-life cycle update to stay competitive in the market. But here's the twist, this update isn't hitting the United States just yet. Toyota in Thailand has unveiled details of the revamped Corolla Cross for their region, showcasing a sleek honeycomb grille, updated LED headlights, and some interior enhancements. While this could offer a glimpse into the future of the American Corolla Cross, Toyota has remained tight-lipped about any official confirmation. The 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross ticks many boxes for a compact SUV, roomy interiors, a smooth ride, impressive fuel efficiency, a plethora of features, all wrapped in an affordable package. However, it falls short due to its underpowered and noisy engine. Let's delve deeper into the differences between this updated Corolla Cross and the one we're familiar with. The Corolla Cross is a versatile compact SUV, tailored to different markets worldwide. The latest version in Thailand sees a tech upgrade, bringing it closer to the European, Japanese, and American counterparts, while maintaining its unique design cues. A standout in the exterior facelift is the newly designed grille, now boasting a sleek body-colored finish with a striking honeycomb pattern. The addition of LED crystallized headlights with sequential turn signals adds a touch of sophistication, mirroring features found in other global markets. These lights seamlessly integrate with the Toyota emblem, echoing the full-width LED aesthetic seen in other models. While the exterior gets a refresh, the sporty body kit of the GR Sport trim remains unchanged, preserving its distinctive character. The color options now include 5 shades, including the stylish new cement gray metallic. As we eagerly await updates on its arrival in the States, the Corolla Cross continues to evolve, offering a glimpse into the future of compact SUVs. It seems that the exterior changes are limited to the hybrid and standard combustion models in Thailand. However, in North America, there are noticeable distinctions between ICE and hybrid trims, prompting speculation about the potential for a unified style across all variants of the crossover. As for the interior, the updated Corolla Cross features a new panoramic frameless roof with an electric sunshade. Inside, there's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Other amenities include a wireless charging pad, USB Type-C ports, dual-zone air conditioning, and an enhanced Toyota Safety Sense ADAS suite. The interior upholstery options include black or dark rose shades. In terms of driving dynamics, the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross feels quite refined. It maintains stability around corners, offers strong and linear braking performance, and boasts quick steering for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The suspension system is remarkably smooth, allowing the Corolla Cross to navigate rough road surfaces with ease. It's capable of towing up to 1,500 pounds when properly equipped. Regarding powertrain variations, Thailand utilizes Toyota's 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine in hybrid and combustion configurations. In contrast, North American models rely on the larger 2.0-liter engine, producing 196 combined horsepower for hybrids and 169 horsepower for standalone models. While exterior and interior updates could potentially make their way to North America, there's no indication of Toyota downsizing the powertrain in the near future. The question arises, is this the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross destined for the American market? When queried directly, Toyota did not provide an immediate response regarding the refresh. Current 2024 models, featuring the familiar design, are already available for sale. If a mid-cycle refresh is on the horizon, it may be a few months before details emerge. Alternatively, this refreshed appearance could be exclusive to other markets, prolonging the wait for a stateside update. In Thailand, sales of the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross have already commenced, with prices ranging from $27,825 for the base 1.8 Sport to $34,920 for the flagship HEV GR Sport. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember to stay tuned for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. Your support means the world to us.